It's really good. This is really good. It's just the same. You could think about the fish sticks. And also we had the micellar water. That one. And this is so cool. They have launched many good things, good products. It's just look like that. And it's pretty. I like the bottle. I like the bottle. It's going to rinse all your, rinse, no soup. Just use cotton, and it's gonna collect all the dirt on your face, most your dead skin, and it will leave super like clean and moisture, even clearer. So the product that we have here is the contour. Let's see. The contour spot essence. This is good for your it's really nice it's good for all kinds of skin tone, and also all kinds of spot, all spot you need to be treated. Just look like that, and it's super cute. It's a it's also smell good. Okay, and also the other product that we could get in that box is the limited edition of fish sticks, the strawberry, and I really do hope they're gonna put this as permanent. It's also one included, strawberry flavor, and I do love the fish sticks. I use that during nighttime whenever I'm at work. It serves me as my caffeine replacement, and it really works well on me during at night when I work night shift. And instead of drinking your other energy drinks that you could buy in the store, and when I started Arbonne, I started using these fish sticks energy drinks, and makes me like staying awake during at night. And also what we could get on that box is the multivitamins, the whole food multivitamins and mineral boost. It's just look like that, and helps your metabolism and your bone, your immunity and energy levels. This is for it. And also what also we could get is the Speaks Volumes mascara. They have also that in the box. The mascara you could get on that box is the most exciting, the protein shake. Here's what we could get also is the protein shake marble cake flavored. This look like that, and I'm so excited of all these products because that they brought in the conference last May in Las Vegas. They are all available in the website, and if you wanna take a look and go to arbonne.com, all you could do and just scroll and you could see all the products on that website. And if you have questions or anything, or you could reach out to me and ask questions, just make a message or comment at the bottom of my video. And also, once again, this is only just the brief overview of these all products, and I could talk more as we go along and talk more about these products, but for now this is it. This is the unboxing of this product that I show you today, and hopefully for the next video that I will make is I'm going to share